Right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kansubire joli yonenena esawa zotulabideko wa subscribing adako eno channel. Watu subscribing anga please nkusaba nkuhindura osolo kubanga o subscribing abambi because it's one of the ways we can, we can give you more exclusive interviews. Nenga abantu be Oman, abantu be Dubai, abantu be Qatar, abantu ba United Arab Emirates. Thank you so much for watching us. Naddala bachali bafubali wana Uganda, nate naddala ba mama. Bamama mwine je mutwagalamu bannange ayayayajja mubeera mu comment ne munsuja Smith okuziza ekirevu ennaku zino kyongere mukko maama buli naye sinakyo kuzaali tondaba nze ate munzigyeko olugezigezi olwo ekisirusiru simanya kati sola lwezi tumulabako mugende mu video gye twakola ntwezeza emitwalo 5 mujja kuba mulaba naye kale mbagala nnyo. I love you so much. Naddala bamama balaba sheno manyiddwa nga Celeb Jazz. Thank you so much. Naye temukisussa temukisussa mundabe bulabika nange wenzija ne mbaweereza temukisussa nnyo aba mwagala okisussa ninayo Lawrence ye musobola okugiranga mukisussizaawo naye nga kale emboozi ya Shakira yayingirawo mu ggwanga lya Uganda. Shakira ono twatandika omutegeerako ey'omu ku baaviirako amaka ga Daddy Andre okubanga gakola ki nga gasasika. Daddy Andre yali mukwano omuyitirivu ennyo ne mwana muwala amanyiddwa nga Rose. Ne bakola n'okukyala bakomaawo baali bagenda okukola okuhinjirwa Shakira n'abirinyamu ndaba ne Shakira kinyirira sikaaki manyi bagamba abasajja nga Daddy Andre balinanga engero egamba muno fe abasajja twagala something that has weight and occupy space. Okitegeera Lawrence ekintu nga kirina kuki weight bakwaye Lawrence wa sayiro z'abanina Rose ne kati bw'osanga omusajja nga nze njagala nga okitegeera nga okitegedde kyali ng'ekidomola kijjudde si just kakebe kali okitegedde. So kati Shakira ono twayogeddeko naye twamujjali ku airport ali mu signed under Black Market Records. Twayogeddeko naye era ng'ebimu ku byatunyonyodde yatubulidde ensonga lwaki ayagala nnyo omuvubuka amanyiddwa nga Daddy Andre because first of all is talented, second of which musajja producer mulungi ne tumubuuza te ebya wininwaji tulaba omuntu bw'oyambala engoye bino ebintu bya ddala ddala bintu bino by'olina bya ddala mbikwateko oba birimu fako. Nangamba Smith ebintu bino enyuma ng'obudde buzibyezibyemu awo ku Lwokutaano no nana ekikazi kye Shakira akisusiza kamba kanti balagenda mukyerabireko oba nga Shakira kizigo oba wadala mullo mweru kati
Mbadde mbeera and komyo wano. First of all, this is home. Ekyokubiri, I have projects. I have my collaboration with Andre, Celeb, then we have more projects coming. And I'm back here to work on my music and other projects that you guys will soon see that I'll put out there. And I have albums I'm working on as well with international artists.
Right to collaborate on Black Market Records. Are you under Black Market Records?
Yes, I'm signed under Black Market Records. And this is my boss, the CEO, Cedric. And there's no other place I would rather be than Black Market. Call me. Yeah. We tried shooting a song called Call Me. It's on YouTube. You guys can check it out on my YouTube channel, Shakira. And then after that, it's shooting a Celeb. Now, music is not bad. Atambula bulungi. And I'm excited for everything that's coming out. I think I dress accordingly. I dress depending on where I'm going and where I'm required to be. So if I'm going to the mosque, I'm not going to dress like that. So if I'm coming to you, I'm going to dress like I'm coming to you. When I'm going to call a video shoot, I'm going to dress according to the concept of that video. So video shoots are in a concept. So I follow the concept and the outfits. We work together. He's a producer, I'm a musician, and we're friends. I'm sorry? Okumuona, what do you mean?
In terms of
In terms of what? Ebintu chi.
If you're having sex.
Like a sexual games.
But that, well, with me, Tia, he didn't approach me in that kind of manner. Tia jamu mane you wait yo. Do I make sense? In a business way. Music. Tia sakola naye kale mugambye muzego, right? Ye wange teyagundaga chingiza kugamba.
Kiri nti dada Andres tugeyo mu kisenge bisegese. Era okufaiso bulwali n'estudio wali. Tutsoko kiri kitabu watuka ekyali mu kisenge bayabe mu kisenge.
Natuka mu studio. Nkola music, nkola Celeb and other projects that not from ya. And that was it. I live in Boston. Yeah. Jasura. Did I say that?
I have the recording.
I said Nagena Jasura.
Yes, studio ye.
Yes, I went to his studio. I don't know if it's a home or whatever. A married man, you understand? So that's where I went, because that's what he directed me to. And then I went to a different studio after that to do another song.
Before you left,
I don't know exactly what I left. I need to talk to him. Yeah. I'm sorry, nali mbostinga. Ntichi. No, actually, their breakup caught me by surprise, if it's really true, if they really broke up. And one thing you need to understand, these two human beings are human beings just like you people out there. They are couples just like any other couple, right? It doesn't mean because they are celebrities, it happens to anybody else. So if they broke up, then it is what it is. Together. How? You know what, Nakatu Kawano, I need to do more research on that than Jakudira. Because I really don't know. No, I just watch the blogs. What's going on? Mwabu's training, actually. Mwabu's training, like, what's training in Uganda? No, it's Mwabu Gazia, Mwabu. Mwabu's training, actually, we know mine. Mwabu Tawanyanyo. Do I make sense? Mwabu Kosanyo. Yeah. Because we're more get out than I have to explain. No, man. But we're getting there. Yes. No, when I'm here, I do music, and when music is traveling, I can still travel and come back. So right now, Wendy, and when you see me in Uganda, it's music. Who, Andrew? Like I said, nakava kunyonyi right now. I don't even know. I don't know. No, not really, not like that. Senior. Sometimes, not every day. Who, Andrew? I'm not sure. Yeah. No, like when you meet in life, when you meet people, sometimes you connect, sometimes you don't connect. I can meet you today, we become friends. Because you're married doesn't mean I don't have to be your friend. And being in the same industry, it doesn't stop us from working together simply because you're married. So, I'm still explaining to you. You understand? So, me and him, twakola fena, ate tuchakola fena, because we need each other. He's a producer, I'm a musician, I bring business on the table and he delivers. Do I make sense? So, as friends, we communicate. As friends, we communicate. Obviously, you'll be worried about somebody, because being in a relationship and me being in a relationship, you'll be worried about each other. So, kugamba, you okay? You know, I'm okay. Oliotia, how is your relationship? You know, things like that. As friends. Guys, I shouldn't be his friend because he's married? I shouldn't? Okay. Chinkomezao is music, music, music. Chichi. No, until then, I believe for Mikolo, if anything's going to happen, you'll know. But as of right now, you're hearing from me. The problem you're hearing from me, yeah? What do you mean Bakazinganza? Do I look like Nina? Do I look like his wife? I don't think so. I don't know. He's the best person to ask. I don't. Oh, Mikolo, Wange, tell him Mikolo, honey. There's no Mikolo. There's no Mikolo. No. I'm here for music. I have this collab with him, and I have a single coming out as well. And I have more music coming out. I'm working on an album, Eja. So please, Andrew is out of this.
Okay, before we go to the project,